Ronald Pilex.
Okay na.
Papel. Daghang kay salamat sa tong amigo, sportsmanship, mentor, bau-bau sa to, amigo, sa iyong dolon, Mr. Rendes Brampel. Ang wa kailana, dili taga Balamban. Mana? And now, round represent Sekyo San Jose Basketball Business League Tournament. And now for the starting of this night.
Matay lami ag-agi.
Players, sa ato ang ground rules, kabalo na mo. Please always wear your respect. Both team, opponent team, captains committee, and the referees. Final decision, referees decision is final. Di lang na to, uspon pagpasa, basta kabalo na mga to ha. Okay. Example against number 1 in
Gamaw.
Gamaw.
Ito yung ipag